Hi there, Sandra here. I thought I would have a go today with Leonardo, but instead of using it on my laptop, have a look at what happens if I get the screen onto my iPad. Now I've got an iPad Pro with a fairly large screen, but I also have a fairly flaky Wi-Fi in the house. Sometimes our Wi-Fi seems laggy. For example, AirDrop, hit and miss. I have Leonardo Designer Studio open on my laptop, and if you go to Window and you have your iPad switched on and within the vicinity of, close to your laptop, you should be able to see it if you've got the settings enabled on your iPad and on your laptop. And please don't ask me what those are because I can't remember any longer. I've had them switched on for ages. So I'm now going to click on move to my iPad and hopefully this will, boom, there we go, it's on there. So it appears exactly as it appears on the screen on my laptop. My laptop now is just showing my normal desktop and no Leonardo. It is transferred onto here. Now I apologise that I'm not doing this directly on my iPad, that you have to have the overhead camera. But to be quite honest, I think trying to get my iPad to record video and do this and have it transferring from my laptop is probably more than it can cope with, so I don't want to stress the Wi-Fi out any more than it needs to be. So can I actually use it is the question, and I have my printer set up here, so I should be able to print from here, and I have my cutter switched on, so I should be able to send things to the cutter. So first of all, I'm going to see if I can draw a shape. So I've got this one and I can draw a shape. I can probably change the colour. Yeah, I can change to a stroke or a fill. I'll leave it on fill so you can see things, okay? Can I get the other shapes to come up? No. That appears to be a problem. I cannot get the other shapes to appear, and I don't know why that is. Maybe somebody else knows that. I really have no idea. So if I come up here and I go to edit and I go to add a copy, whoops, add copy, has it added a copy? Not got the select on, have I? So edit, add copy. That has added a copy, go to add a copy, it's added another one. Okay, let's overlap some shapes. Go to select everything and go to weld it. I think that's welded it. Just select it again. Right, that seems to have welded. Now if I tap on this, can I get other options up? Double tap? No. Single tap? No. I don't know whether it's me, but this bar, I can't seem to change. Whatever it is that's on here is what it is. I can't seem to change it from anything else. Right, let's see if I can draw with this. So there is some lag, quite considerable lag, but that could well be my Wi-Fi. You know, you need to try it for yourself and see whether you find the same problem, because I don't know if you will. You may not if you're in luck. Okay, so if I go to writing, enter text here, I can select that. Hang on, I just cancelled the whole lot. Okay, I can't see any way of deleting it apart from maybe go to, no, I can't edit and delete. Presumably, however, I can put something else in. Not with my pencil, I can't. Okay, no problem. Just put in hello, that'll do, and return. Get rid of the keyboard and go to apply. No, I don't want to select everything, I just want to select that bit. Thank you. Right, so I got the hello. Move that out of the way. In fact, I'll take that out. I think I'll delete that. So that's the delete. Yeah, okay. Now, can I use the backwards and forwards buttons? Yep, that appears to do that. And go back to layers. That seems to give me the layers. If I select that, it selects it. If I select a shape, it does that. Yeah, that's fine. That worked pretty well. Okay, let's get rid of that again. That shape is annoying me. Let's get rid of that one as well. Right. So I have my hello. Now if I want to make copies of that, I can go to edit and add a copy. I can rotate it. That seems to work fine. So that's alright. What else can I do with this? Break paths. Yeah, that seems to work. I'll undo that. Mirroring. Okay, let's mirror vertical. Okay, that seemed to do the job. And undo that. So the basic functions seem to be working okay. Now I'm going to get rid of this. And what I'm going to do is try importing an image to do a print and cut and see if that works. So go to File, go to Import a file, and I've got a PNG here, click on Open, Print and Cut. I'm just going to go through the default settings, I'm not going to do anything else with it. Finished. That seems to be fine. So let's send the design. All artwork, yeah, send, that is fine. So it's giving me the cutting contour and it's giving me the artwork. Send it to the printer and print. In a second, should hear my printer start up. Yep, there it goes. So this is my print. I'm going to put it on my mat and then I'm going to send it to the cutter. Okay, I've lined it up with the bottom left corner, so hopefully this will do the job. And if I go to this one here, I need to use my pencil to select it and send to the cutter using the cutter settings. I've got that set to about 15, so it may not cut all the way through, but that's basically fine. It may be a little bit quick and it may tear it because of that, but I don't believe it. We're back. I told you my Wi-Fi was a bit iffy. Right, send to cutter, let's see if it's going to do it. Get it there quick. Yeah. Okay, so it's scanning the registration marks. I think it managed to complete the cut though, so that's the important thing. Okay, so here we go. My butterfly has been cut. I think just about managed to do that without the connection going. There we are, so I have the butterfly cut out. So that is what Leonardo can do when it comes to being transferred over onto your iPad. If your Wi-Fi connection is better than mine, the chances are you may not have the lag that I did. I don't know how to get around the fact that the menu on the bottom doesn't seem to be able to change. Maybe that's me, maybe it's my system, maybe it's the app. I have no idea. So there we go. I'll see you again soon. Take care.